Are you looking for site cleaner jobs in the UK? Look no further than Staff Direct. Our agency specializes in connecting skilled workers with top companies in need of their expertise. As a site cleaner, you will play a crucial role in maintaining the cleanliness and safety of various work sites. Your responsibilities may include sweeping, mopping, dusting, and disposing of waste materials. At Staff Direct, we understand the importance of finding the right job that matches your skills and experience. That's why we work closely with our clients to ensure that you are placed in a position where you can thrive and grow. Whether you are looking for a temporary assignment or a long-term career opportunity, we have the resources and connections to help you succeed. Joining our agency is easy. Simply create a profile on our website, upload your resume, and start browsing our available job listings. Our team of recruitment specialists will work with you to find the perfect site cleaner position that meets your needs and preferences. Don't wait any longer to take the next step in your career. Contact Staff Direct today and let us help you find the job of your dreams. Get in touch with us /stashdirect.co.uk/info@staffdirect.co.uk.